So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, YouTube family. Guys, I know it's been a minute, and actually it hasn't been that long. We only over by a few days. We're trying to go ahead and get this one uploaded. It's been a lot going on in the kitchen, trying to get some brews together. I don't know if you guys know, but I am officially in the beer making side of fermentation.
Go for it!
So that would knock down wine, mead, and now beer. So I am doing my best to do the best that I can at all of these things. I have some new equipment, but I'll go over that up in another video pertaining to the beer. But I've been doing a lot of beers, but like I said, we'll talk about that on another video when I get that together. But anyway, I am now working on an oldie but goodie, and also a classic. I wanted to, like I said, pretty much start the year off right, bringing back some one fruit blends. I say one fruit blends, but one fruit per wine. And I decided to go ahead and do strawberry since I didn't do strawberry yet. And this is what this video is about. We are doing a strawberry wine. I guess I should go over the ingredients because it's not really too much talking I need to do about this, guys. Like I said, we got plenty of videos on the web, on YouTube, recipes and everything. But this is just my little take on it to help the community out. We are going to go over our ingredients. So we are using 3 pounds of strawberries. We're going to use 1.5 pounds of white sugar. We'll be using 1/2 pound of dark brown sugar. For our acid blend, we'll be using 1/4 of a lemon or a lemon wedge, or you can measure it out, the juice itself, and use about 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. For our tannin, we'll be using Earl Grey black tea, but basically black tea, guys. And in the back over here, we have our 1 gallon of water and the usual suspects of fermentation that you guys see. But like I said, guys, I want to keep this one short and sweet because it's a simple one. And like I said, I got a lot going on. I'm so happy that I got a lot more stuff for fermentation. Like I said, guys, this year is going to be busy. I already entered 3 competitions, 2 for beer, 1 for mead.
Yeah, boy.
And hopefully I do pretty good. But like I said, for the beer stuff, I'll just go over it to you. I mean, with you guys or whatever later. And I'll also show you a little something that I put together at the end of the video. So guys, please stick around y'all see what I'm up to. I usually post my extra stuff on Instagram. I'll leave all of that up in this video, so please check it out to see what I'm doing behind the scenes. But anyway guys, let's get to this process. Okay guys, look at this pretty dark red ruby color that we have right here for the strawberries. This is basically what we got after we strained the strawberries off. Like I said once before, probably in a couple of my videos where I did the berries, if you tend to let them steep in the water, that warm water or that hot water tends to extract the color out the skin. So this is what you wind up or end up with, should I say. So we don't have too much left, guys. to this brew. As always, I forget to show you guys the yeast. I don't know what it is about me showing you guys the yeast, but for this one we're using BM4x4. Yeah, it's one of my favorites, but I do have some left, and we're using 1/4 teaspoon of that, and I'll get the hydrometer reading to you in a bit. So guys, this is that extra little bonus that I wanted to show you right here. Oh my God. Okay guys, this is the little bonus that I wanted to show y'all at the end of the video. This is actually a party gal.
Nah,
it's basically a beer made off the leftover grains of another beer that you brew. So I just finished brewing my Jungle Juice NE IPA, or New England IPA, hazy IPA, or whatever, and I had some grain left. So what I did was take that grain, boiled it, and I was able to boil it down to a 1.06 gravity, get us about a 6 to 7 ABV beer. And I wanted to switch it up and do something different from the normal style. Basically, I incorporated some fruit, and I also added some hibiscus. So I used strawberries for my fruit, and I used some hibiscus to go along with it. So it's basically a strawberry hibiscus. I guess they call it Napa or Nippa. Whatever, guys, I don't know, I'm still learning all of this stuff, but I think it's going to be pretty good, guys. And I also added a little bit of this right here, Tupelo honey, and if you don't know, you need to try it, guys. But anyways, love you, appreciate all the love. Don't forget to subscribe. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can get more subscribers than what we have already. So guys, let's do this, please. Love all of you once again. See you on the next video. Peace.